Jay-Z files shock lawsuit against the FBI for seizing his assets without proper legal procedure. In a move that has shaken the music industry and legal circles alike, renowned rapper and entrepreneur Jay-Z has filed a lawsuit against the Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) for the unlawful seizure of his personal and business assets. This shocking development comes after years of what appears to be targeted harassment and overreach by federal authorities against the rap mogul. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video for more exclusive updates on this developing story. The lawsuit, filed in a federal court, alleges that the FBI has systematically and without proper legal justification confiscated millions of dollars worth of Jay-Z's assets, including properties, investments, and even personal items. This unprecedented action, the filing claims, is part of a wider pattern of government overreach and abuse of power, targeting the high-profile artist. According to the legal documents obtained by our team, the FBI's seizures have crippled Jay-Z's ability to conduct business, manage his financial portfolio, and provide for his family. The filing paints a picture of heavy-handed tactics employed by federal agents, who are accused of bypassing due process and steamrolling Jay-Z's constitutional rights. "This is not just about my client's personal finances," said Alex Spiro, the renowned attorney representing Jay-Z in this case. "This is about the government overstepping its bounds and trampling on the rights of private citizens, simply because they have the power to do so. We intend to expose this egregious abuse of authority and hold the FBI accountable for their actions." The lawsuit alleges that the asset seizures were carried out under the guise of ongoing investigations into Jay-Z's business dealings and alleged associations, but the legal team argues that these probes have yielded no credible evidence of wrongdoing. Instead, they claim the government is using the threat of prosecution as a pretext to essentially confiscate the rapper's wealth and resources. "It's a classic case of guilty until proven innocent," Spiro added. "The FBI has taken it upon themselves to act as judge, jury, and executioner, without any real justification or proper legal process. We intend to change that through this lawsuit." The shockwaves of this lawsuit are being felt throughout the music industry and legal community. Many are watching closely to see how the courts will respond to Jay-Z's bold challenge to the government's perceived overreach. Some legal experts believe this case could set a precedent for how federal agencies are held accountable for their actions, particularly when it comes to high-profile individuals. "This is an incredibly significant case," said Professor Sarah Binder, a legal scholar at Georgetown University. "Jay-Z is essentially accusing the FBI of abusing its power and violating his constitutional rights. If he can prove that, it could have wide-ranging implications for how federal law enforcement agencies operate, especially when it comes to seizing assets without proper justification." The lawsuit comes at a time when trust in government institutions is already at a low ebb, with many perceiving a pattern of selective enforcement and targeting of certain individuals and communities. Jay-Z's case, if successful, could further erode public confidence in federal agencies and potentially lead to calls for greater oversight and accountability. "This is really a fight for the soul of our democracy," Spiro said. "Jay-Z is standing up not just for himself, but for the rights of all Americans who are vulnerable to overreach by the government. We're confident that the courts will see this for what it is and rule in our favor." As the legal battle unfolds, the music world and the public at large wait with bated breath to see how this high-stakes showdown will play out. One thing is certain: Jay-Z's willingness to take on the might of the federal government has cemented his status as a true heavyweight, both in the entertainment industry and the realm of civil liberties. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video to stay updated on the latest developments in this captivating legal saga. Jay-Z's fight against the FBI is a story that is sure to have lasting ramifications, and we'll be here to bring you all the exclusive details as they unfold.